Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, a researcher surveyed at random students from a large university about how often they see movies. Using the sample data, the researcher estimated that 23% of the students in the population saw a movie at least once per month. The margin of error for this estimation is 4%, whereas which of the following is the most appropriate conclusion about all students at the university based on the given estimate and the margin of error. So if we're saying 23% of the students saw a movie at least once per month, and we have a margin of error of 4%, then the range that would be reasonable for the number of students who are seeing a movie once per month would be between 23% plus 4%, which is 27%, and 23% minus 4%, which is 19%. So we would expect in the overall population between 19% and 27% would be seeing a movie at least once per month. Then we look at our answers and see which of these lines up most with our conclusion. We see in D, it is plausible that the percentage of students who see a movie at least once per month is between 19% and 27%. D is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.